Welcome back to another Risk of Rain video. Today we're going to be doing the Railgunner again, but this time on Eclipse 5. I've been grinding and it's taken a while. It's been pretty hard, but we're going to do Eclipse 5. I've done a few tries of it. It's been something different than the regular game. It's been difficult. Very much of a big learning curve, going from a lot of healing to less healing. But let's hop straight into it. Okay, well, come on, Siphon Forest. You're really gonna give me Siphon Forest? I mean, come on. That's like the worst map. This is the worst map. I don't know about you guys, but this is probably my least favorite starting map, just because it's so big, and also it has like the worst enemies in the game. When you could just like get like Titanic planes or the Roost, just not have to deal with them. My aim is just not. It's not up there yet. Alright, oh, that's a 50. We'll grab that. I'm hoping for either attack speed or a watch. Come on. Okay, that's not exactly what I wanted, but it's fine. Yeah, the Eclipse modifiers they're interesting. They're definitely a big change. They make you realize how easy the game is when you stop playing with them. Because the game is much more of a joke. Even when just like with the first 4 Eclipse levels, it makes the game much easier without them. But since they introduce each modifier one at a time, you don't really feel like you're getting overwhelmed with modifiers. I'll take a PSG. It's better than healing. I hate, what are the flying things are called? They're like blind pests. Yeah, I think they're blind pests. And then the hoppy things are the vermin, blind vermin. I'll probably just take another PSG. I don't really want. Okay, so I'll take a PSG. Then I'll grab this. Oh, that was a clip moment right there. Exactly on point. It could not have been better. Okay, I'm not really getting the best loot. We just have to get the sand area so I can get bands and then win. I also need some healing just to mitigate starting at 50% HP on each stage. Come on, give me a gun here. Okay, that's good though. It's still pretty acceptable. Come on, a couple more enemies get in here. All the way up there. It's weird. I'm looking for a feather. Really? Like, this is actually a meta build right here. Like, this loadout is meta. It couldn't be any better, I don't think. I think this is the best build you can get. But there's a good amount of loot here, so. Okay. That's what we like to see. Let's get some attack speed in here. Opal is good unless there's movement speed. Come on. Get him. What else is over here? Okay, I will take the opal. Because I don't want to get decimated by fall damage. Ooh. I don't know what it is about Railgunner, I just find her to be very satisfying to use. Like the big snipes. I don't like the other one, the marksman. Just cause I mean it doesn't do that much damage. It's definitely slower. Well, no, it's not slower, but the damage is slower. Okay, well that leeching seed might carry us. So, I mean, it could be a easy GG with the leeching seed. Could be. I wouldn't be surprised. Okay, we got that big old 50 chest. Try it like that. Alright, yeah, that's way better. There we go. Come on, something good. Are you serious? We have the two best healing items in the game. We got Leptin Daisy and Leeching Seed. That's a deadly combo. You don't want to mess with that. I mean, it's a salvageable run. It's not like we're going to lose. But I'm scared. Alright, if we get a gun right over here for this equipment, could save us. But not really. It would just help out a lot. Okay, that is actually not very good. I'm not even going to take that. Is this all the loot we're going to get? I mean, come on. This can't be everything. There's so many greens, and they're all so useless. I would scrap every single one of them. But it's fine. Railgunner's kit lets her pretty easily defeat the first TP without needing a bunch of good abilities. And I got a little bit of attack speed, which will definitely help me out. No movement speed. And we got the most epic guy ever. He's here. He's healing all of it. Stop. Okay, now I'm gonna die. Because that's how I die. And then this blind pest. Alright, give me Titanic Neural. I'll take that, actually. That's actually not bad. Okay. Kill. This is why I hate these guys. Can't even hit them. Oh my god. Wait, the Leeching Seed might actually save me here. Oh, wait. Okay, the Leptin Daisy Clutch. Get this turret in here. This turret will absolutely help me. It is saving the day right now. There we go. Easy first TP. Now let's get out of here because I don't want to spend another second in this god-awful stage. Because I hate it. Get me out of here. Just don't give me the Aphelion whatever place with the DLC second area because I don't really want to deal with that one right now. That would be not good. Oh. Thanks. Power elixir. I don't know. I mean, a power elixir is pretty good. I don't do enough damage. Oh no. That's why we have Opal. Right there. we didn't have opal, we would have died right there. That's good. Let me actually boost this up a bit, because this is a good song. I think. Yeah, this is good. We gotta get some AoE in here. Where is my AoE? Okay. 2 leeching seeds. I'm just the luckiest human alive right now. This must be like the most blessed run of the century. It's gotta be. I mean, I feel like you can't really get anything better than this. Okay, Bruce is actually good. That'll actually help me to stay alive. It's like healing. It's like the shark tooth necklace, but it actually like does a good job if you get a couple of them. Only 160. Oh, these are the ones that don't even move. I just saw one that didn't even beetle. It was just standing still. I hate the blind pests. Both of these green things. They are not good. Okay, oh my god. This is... There's no way. This can't be real. This has gotta be like the world record for most unlucky risk of rain run. Look at that dude. Look at him. Oh, now he's moving. Here he is. Alright, let's go for how about some bison steak? We gotta stack a few more old stealth war kits because we don't have enough of them. It's not meta yet. Okay, bleed is like a little good. I mean, it's not very good on this character unless you really go to the M1 a lot. If you go into that. Okay, this could be what we're missing. This could be a band. It could be a headset. It could be a power elixir. Very mediocre, but not bad. And it probably will save us. What was that? I saw something. There's nothing. I imagined it. I wonder how many stages we'll get through. Maybe like... We'll get to stage 3. I think that's kind of my guess. Oh wait, Lysate Cell is actually good. Like I do want that. Okay, if we survive. Okay, we're good. Cause they can't get up here. Whoa, dude, calm down. We don't allow that. That is cheating. Speed, okay. Okay, we're getting good stuff. Probably take the mystery item. I don't really know if I want another power elixir. Rather gamble. Try to get like speed or like a watch. Okay, it's too loud. It is overpowering me. Gotta turn it down. Gotta take it down a peg. Well, there's some loot up here. We could do Aurelia Knight. I'm not doing him. We've been so unlucky. We're not. Oh, crit. That is acceptable. Okay, more crit. I actually don't hate that. We got some equipment things to open. We got, okay. Actually getting not trash items. Wait, that's actually unheard of. Okay, okay. Yeah, had to get Aura Banner, because of course it's like the best item in the game. Not gonna buy that. We're gonna go do TP. And I don't want to fall off the map. Okay, hopefully we can just press R and one-shot the boss. This is probably my least favorite boss. Uh-oh. We might be dead. We need to get some cover. And then do this. Uh-oh. Why did we fly so high? Danger. Okay, we're okay. We saved it. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Oh my god. Wait, the pests. They're actually gonna kill me. Because I'm not fast enough. There's a mending one. I'm actually dead. I'm legitimately dead. Okay, wait, Lepton Daisy might save me. Like, actually, it might. Oh my god. There's so much stuff. I'm just gonna run in circles. Dodge and weaved. Oh, we're dead. We're dead. This is not the strat. Okay. Lepton Daisy is coming in clutch. Uh-oh. Keep charging this bad boy. Alright, next stage. We gotta get, like, a lot of good stuff or we're gonna die. So, we need good stuff next stage. Or we're definitely gonna lose. Oh my god. I hate this map. Oh my, we've gotten only DLC maps. I'm not opening that. Not yet. That's just a death sentence. We are not doing so swell with the whole damage thing. Not doing too hot. Okay. What is this? Oh, it's one of these. As I just saw a bunch of fireworks hit it and it didn't die, and I was like, what? Oh my god. Wait, that's good. Maybe this is actually like the goated stage. I think it is. It might be. We should take the blood shrine though, just in case. And a recycler. That is so good. We can actually win now. We can actually win. A recycler. We have bad loot. It doesn't even matter. We're just gonna get good loot. This is when things turn around. This is the comeback with a vengeance. Okay, I can already see that damage increase. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Okay. I'll just take this and we can reroll if it's bad. That is not bad. That is not a bad item. I will actually definitely take that. What we are hoping for is a band. Okay, I mean, that, it could be useful. Although, I'm thinking it's not gonna be. It could be. I mean, we thought Lepton Daisy wasn't gonna be useful, and we were wrong. Oh yeah, I still have a key. Oh yeah, I have a key, okay. You gotta give me a band or a double jump. And this is the comeback. Here we go. What is here? Wait, that's not terrible. That's not. We do need defense if we're gonna be running around getting bullied by every single enemy. Okay, Shrine of Chance is good. We just need more money, which is why we have Gore's Tome. And there's, I think, 2 blood shrines. Yeah, no, 3. Okay, and there's also the Void Cradle. So we're gonna have a lot of stuff that we can get once we, like, kill everything on the stage. Why are there so many of these? I'm looking for more loot, please. I do not like these. One itty bit. Okay, these are blind pests. I know now. That's a blind pest. Go. I need more chests. Are there no more chests? There's gotta be like a bunch in the cave then. It's gotta be it. They're all hiding in the cave. Maybe. They're not. Okay. Not great, not great. Gotta say. Okay, there's something here. I will take loot. Reroll. Oh, that's so good. And then I guess there's like, oh yeah, there's 2 Shrine of Chances we can go get. Almost forgot about those bad boys. Okay, we're almost one-shotting a Beetle Guard with nothing but just like raw damage. Which means we're getting somewhere. There's a little bit of loot. We have to wait. We'll just reroll fireworks first. And do another opal. That is very acceptable. And another opal. I mean, you can never have too many opals. After we open that multi-shop. I don't think there's much loot left. And if there is, I don't know where they'd hide it. I think we looted up most of everything here. Get out of here. Gonna reroll that med kit. Come on, we gotta get something good. A brooch. And we're gonna roll the warbander. Then we'll go do TP. Then we will get that void cradle and get out with an actual bit of a better build. We need a scrapper. If we got a scrapper and then we got like, we went to the bazaar That'd be good. I just don't want Siren Skull. I mean, like, honestly, I just want the volcano area. It's like the no void cradle. Or no void seed. Because we could just get obliterated if we got a void seed there. We probably would. Okay, that's good. Get me out. But not really. Like, I just want to leave. I just want to do the TP. And then go get the void cradle. Then get out. Maybe look for a little bit more loot. No, there's nothing. You. That didn't even one shot. That is so bad. I have to run now so I don't get destroyed. That one's dead. Just running in circles. Stop. There's so many. Oh my god. So many of these guys. They healed it back to maximum HP. Uh-oh. We might be dead. Go. Get out. Oh god, are you serious? The bat, the watches. The watches. Are you kidding? That was all my damage. That was all of my damage. Okay. Got a new build. It's called the fire build. We can still do it. We're at least gonna get to stage 4. This is good practice. Because I think I can guess the outcome of this run. I don't know if you can, but I got the feeling we're not getting to stage 5. I don't know why, I just do. That's why I hate this map. It doesn't matter if we have a recycler, I just hate this map. I hate it. It's terrible. But the focus crystal, because we have no speed, it is actually doing something. Leave. Just get out. God, we lost so much stuff. We gained so much and then we lost it all instantly. Which is great. Okay, we did get it, and there is no void seed. And there's also this guy. I want to kill him. Oh, there's that. There's an overloading brass contraption. Really? Okay. Are you serious? The imps are gonna kill me. I'm gonna get obliterated by imps. If something kills me, it'll be the imps. Yep, they're making me bleed. I'm gonna die. It's just a guarantee. I need a band before I get murdered. Okay, this guy will one-shot me. Anything's gonna one-shot me, actually. I just need to... Okay, we can't kill anything. That's good. If I could use it. Oh my god. I'm getting smacked so hard. Please stop. What is this? Dude, stop. Stop, please. I can't do this. There is so much stuff. trying to kill me. It's not even funny. Leave me alone, please. Please leave me alone. There's no way. This is crazy. Whatever these balls are called, they're probably my least favorite enemy in this entire game. I hate them. I'm dead. If any of you guys predicted he dies at stage 4, you're correct. Oh my god, I'm so look at that. Look at this. This is funny. This is wacky. Okay, we killed one thing. We did it. We neutralized a single target. And we're gonna get neutralized. Yep, we're dead. Oh, we got saved. Okay, we have to like sit here. Just chip these guys down and not get killed. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, that's the video. Gonna end it short and sweet. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, that's good. I hope you continue to enjoy my content. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.